Ladies and gents, hello and welcome everybody to Crypto Space. So in today's video we are going to cover Kaspa. Okay, let's firstly have a look at Kaspa at CoinGecko over here. That is currently trading at 11 cents of a dollar, with market cap currently sitting at 2.5 billion USD, with 24-hour trading volume sitting at 17,150,000 US dollars. And obviously that looks very beautiful, but that is a zoomed out chart. If we can see over here, guys, in the last 24 hours we are pretty much going sideways, but obviously that is just calm before the storm. That's what I'm personally thinking. All right, and guys, so we are currently sitting at 60 in terms of fear and greed. So it is slightly lower than yesterday and before when we were sitting on neutral. And now, guys, I would like to show you first of all a bit of a Kaspa news. So as you can see over here, we've got some good news. Brings seamless access to Kaspa for users across India, Turkey, Mexico, Peru, Chile, Colombia, Nigeria, Kenya, Europe, UK, Indonesia, Vietnam, etc. Wow, so many countries, guys. So what does it basically mean? That means a huge adoption of a Kaspa, the cryptocurrency itself, all over the world. If that is going to be adopted the way Satoshi actually planned, obviously that isn't a Bitcoin, but we all know that Bitcoin is pretty much a store of value, right? And perhaps we are going to use Kaspa for payments all over the world. That would be great, guys. So let's have a look over here at the second tweet. As we can see over here, a Kaspa cryptocurrency is pretty much listed on Kraken, right? Obviously it's just futures, but that is just a beginning, right? So like Kaspa is going to see much brighter days, especially when Kaspa is going to be listed on a top tier exchanges. And now, guys, before we are going to head into Kaspa's chart, okay, I would like to show you these two charts over here. That is about altcoins in general, right? So the Gaussian channel just flipped green, and this is extremely bullish for alts in 2024-2025. So in the past cycles, after it flipped green, a correction occurred. In bull markets, corrections are opportunities to buy. So yes, guys, if we are going to see a correction, even if we are on a green in Gaussian channel, that is going to be an opportunity to accumulate Kaspa and other cryptos, obviously if you are holding other bags. And now let's have a look over here. Market cap broke out of the massive Wyckoff accumulation phase. Price is currently consolidating above the point of breakout. Altcoin rally incoming. So as you can see over here, we pretty much have escaped that Wyckoff accumulation zone. And now altcoins are going to be flying. So let's check Kaspa. Have a look, guys, how beautiful this chart looks like. We are just going higher and higher in terms of Kaspa. Let me put it here on the weekly, guys, to have a better look. Unfortunately, trading view for some reason is lagging sometimes, at least on my computer, and no, my internet is paid. My internet is pretty much all right. So as you can see, guys, over here we are pretty much, that's on a weekly time frame, we are following these higher highs all the time, and after that we see a bit of a consolidation over here, right? Same as over here, there was a bit smaller pump over here, but nevertheless we saw a bit of consolidation, and obviously we saw much healthier gain in Kaspa, and now we are consolidating. However, every single time we are touching that trend line or close to it, as you can see over here, we are bouncing back higher. So that looks very like a Bitcoin chart, to being honest. Also, another bullish thing, guys, for Kaspa is that we are going to have Kaspa halving, I believe, in August this year. So Kaspa is going to see halvings every single year, unlike Bitcoin every 4 years. So if we are going to look at RSI, guys, I hope that makes sense. So as you can see over here, after that initial huge pump, we're at RSI of 92 at the time. pretty much, right? And then we have consolidated, and as you can see over here, we saw you know, bigger moves. However, after this big pump, that was pump of around 170%, which is big, we also went very high up on RSI, up to 85. And why am I showing you that, guys? Because what I'm seeing is this, right? We have pretty much consolidated, just like we've consolidated over here, and now RSI is pretty much ready to go on green, just like it did over here, right? I hope it makes sense. So it is very, very healthy for Kaspa to pretty much pump higher. How much? Let's have a look. So let me put it into 4 hourly time frame, and let's, oh my goodness, sorry, and let me zoom in the chart, guys. So as you can see over here, we are pretty much going sideways on Kaspa, right? However, one thing that I've noticed on 1 hourly time frame, we are building a bullish triangle over here, most likely bullish triangle, right? So if we are going to draw it like this, for example, and like that, as you can see, guys, no matter how we cut that, either from here or from here, right, from the bottom of that wick, that could indicate that Kaspa is going to move towards more bullish momentum, right? And who knows, we might even smash through that line of resistance right away, right? We'll definitely have to retest the all-time high of Kaspa. That was yes, that was actually on that resistance level of 40 cents. So we are going to definitely retest. I mean, definitely, of course, that's what I'm thinking. Nothing in this video is financial advice, guys. So we are going to retest this line of resistance, or if the momentum is going to be that high, if we are going to see some big news, like for example top tier exchange listing Kaspa, like Coinbase or Binance, then we are going to see these levels being smashed without any problem. So Kaspa is looking very, very bullish. Of course, the news as well, more adoption is coming for Kaspa, guys, and I do hope that your bags are packed. Okay, then that's it for today's video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel so you are never going to miss on any Kaspa updates and other cryptocurrency updates. All right, then, peace and love, crypto.